Hi friends, welcome on my YouTube channel. I hope you and your family is fine and well. Okay, so as you already know, NEET 2023 form is out now. Here you need to search for NTA NEET. Okay, so once you search for NTA NEET, you will get first URL. You have to open this URL because this is the official website of NEET. Okay, so once you open the first URL, you will get interface like this. So this is my NEET application form interface. Okay, from here I can be able to fill the online form. So I have to scroll down on this particular interface. Here you can observe NEET 2023 registration. Okay, so I will click this URL and it will redirect me to another interface. So if you are new user, you are filling the online form for first time, so you need to click on new registration. Once you will done with registration, so you will be allocated with one application number. Okay, you need to create one password while registering yourself, and you need to fill this security pin here, and after it click on sign in. So I am the new user, so okay, so I will first register myself. Okay, so I will click on new registration. So friends, if you are also new, first time filling this application form, so click on new registration. So once you click on new registration, you will get one interface like this. Here they will provide instructions. Okay, so if you want to read prospectus, okay, so download from here and go through the prospectus. If you want to see the exam cities, okay, so in your area, what how many exam cities are present, so you can, by clicking this link, you can be able to see the exam city centers. So before proceeding with the application form, friends, I will suggest you to download the prospectus information bulletin from here and go through it, and after it, these instructions also you need to read carefully. So already I have gone through the prospectus. I will suggest you, before proceeding to filling online application form, please go through this particular instructions and prospectus. So after it, scroll down and you need to click here, and after it click here to proceed. So once you click on that particular proceed option, so you will get interface like this. Here they will ask your personal detail. You need to enter your personal details. Okay, you need to type your present address, and if your present address correspondent address is same as it is permanent address, so you need to click on this option, and if it is different, then you can fill by manually by entering the data. Okay, so you need to create one password here, okay, of your choice, which is will be combination of at least 8 digit, upper character, lower character, special symbol, and it will contain numbers also. So please friend, fill this all details correctly. Okay, and after that click on submit. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe channel.